Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another Tinkercad tutorial, so let's get cracking. Everybody, we are back with the Tinkercad Keep the Chain Going project. Once again, we have got new links. I'm going to click on this one and do F to fit view. It is from the Supercar Addict, and this is number 76. And we also had link number 77 show up. Oh my gosh. This is from Speedy071. It is absolutely fabulous. Let's get it ready to load in the design. Once again, to make these complex projects work more efficiently, you can always go to Your Creations, click on the shape, and create a shape. When it loads, give it a name. I'm going to call mine Speedy71. I never lock the part size, and I'm simply going to hit Save Shape. Back in our original project, you may have to relaunch it, but when you go to Your Creations, that new shape will be there, and you can bring it out and add it to your project. Now, friends, we have got 77 links in one project. Many of these are so complex, yet it still loads relatively fast because we've been making shapes and storing them in our creations. Of course, I want to thank everybody that has joined in so far and send one last huge shout out to the Supercar Addict and Speedy71 for sharing the latest links. Don't forget, if you want to join in, there will be a tutorial up here in the corner. They are super quick and you'll gain some skills as you join in on one of the largest Tinkercad collaborations ever. Of course, have a glorious day and keep tinkering. Friends, as I wrap up, I just want to remind you about my website, HLModTech.com. I've got a tab dedicated to Tinkercad with tons of awesome categories. And then below that, you can find my day one favorites and also useful starters. And then finally, the Tinkercad Essentials. Friends, also at the bottom corner, I want to share the sweet built-in messaging tool. You can click that button, add your question, comment, or suggestion, and reach me almost instantly. Lastly, friends, don't forget the Tinkercad Community Discord. As you can see, we've got more than 700 members, and it is a fantastic place to talk everything Tinkercad. Finally, friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, friends, don't forget you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.